My name is Lucy and I'm the founder of the Beauty Empire, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Instant Mani Xpress kit. First things up, I'm going to show you exactly what's in your kit. Before we get started, you want to make sure that all previous polish or products on the nails is completely removed.
The first step is going to be prepping your nails. Using the soft side of your nail file, the 240 grit, gently buff the surface. You're not trying to tin the nail, you're just removing the shine. This helps the product adhere better. And once that's done, use your dust brush and remove any debris from your nail and the workspace. Now let's talk about tip sizing. This is so important. Each express tip should fit your natural nail from sidewall to sidewall, without any overlapping of the skin or without leaving any gaps. You want the tip to align perfectly with your sidewalls, which will help create a clean cuticle line. I like to pre-measure and lay mine out from pinky to thumb before starting. It just makes the process a lot smoother. Each tip is numbered, so once you find that perfect fit, take note of those numbers, and that way you'll know exactly what to grab next time. While sizing, I like to gently push back the cuticles using the cuticle end of the tip. This gives you a perfect flush fit. Now it's time to apply the Xpress tips. Start by painting a thin layer of rubber base coat on your natural nail, keeping it super neat and avoid touching any part of the skin. If you do, don't panic, just make sure to wipe it away. Then apply a thin layer of the same base coat to the inside of the Xpress tip. To apply, hold the tip at a 45-degree angle, start at the cuticle and gently press downward towards the free edge. This helps eliminate any air bubbles. You can then flash cure each nail for 30 seconds. Always make sure you're only using a small amount of product. If you use too much, it can overflow and touch your cuticles or skin. If that happens, don't panic, wipe it off and try again. Now it's time to cure all the nails for the full 60 seconds. Your lamp has an automatic timer that will switch off when it's done. This ensures that the product is completely dried and adhered to the nail. Then want to gently file the free edge to remove any ridge that was left over when taken from the row, and this is where you can also take down or refine to the shape of your liking. And now the final step. You want to apply your ultra glossy top coat and cure for 60 seconds. When curing your thumbs, cure them separately to make sure every single side gets full exposure from the lamp. And for that salon finish touch, apply the Beauty Empire Pineapple Cuticle Oil. It's the cherry on top of your perfect mani.